Welcome to part 3 of the 1000 verb challenge. Speak. Speak. He can speak 3 languages. Wash. Wash. She needs to wash her hands before eating. Laugh. Laugh. The joke made everyone laugh out loud. Help. Help. Can you help me with my homework? Clean. Clean. They clean the house every Saturday. Sleep. Sleep. Babies sleep a lot during the day. Cry. Cry. The movie made her cry. Watch. Watch. I like to watch the sunset every evening. Drive. Drive. He can drive a car very well. Sing. Sing. She loves to sing in the shower. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.